Hi everyone, welcome to FoodyVibes. Today we are making cashew flavored rice with Jalfrezi. Let's proceed with the curry. In a pan, I add some oil and fry some sliced onions. Add a pinch of salt and let it fry until crispy. Add some garlic. Let's saute and add the meat. Stir well. Add some salt, turmeric powder, some garam masala, some coriander powder, chili powder, some pepper, and some dark soy sauce. Give a good mix. Now we'll add some water and let it cook until tender. Once the water has mostly evaporated and the meat has completely become tender, we'll add some fresh blended tomato. Let it cook for around 5 minutes. Add some sliced bell pepper, some sliced onions. You can either slice them or cut into cubes. Let simmer for 3 more minutes and garnish finally with some green chili and fresh coriander leaves. Next, let's proceed with the rice. In a large pot, add some oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Let it melt, then add some cashew nuts. Fry for a few seconds and add some fresh blended or diced tomatoes. Let it saute for 2 minutes, then add a pinch of yellow color. Add some saffron strands which I have soaked in a little bit of water. Mix well, then add some fried onion, half teaspoon of salt. Mix well and let it saute for 2 more minutes until it releases the oil. Then add the rice which I have already boiled. Stir well, let it cook for 1 more minute and it's done. Presenting you here my version of cashew and saffron flavored rice with meat jalfrezi. Hope you have enjoyed my video. Please share, like and subscribe. Bye bye.